Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 carbon bicycle pedal. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Item number 5 in our list is Woodman Bikes Pedal. Specifications: brand name Woodman, type Ultralight pedal, model number XW01, pedal device category pedal, use cruisers, road bicycles, material carbon, bike pedals color black, origin mainland China. Item number 4 is Bolini Ultralight Carbon Fiber Bicycle Pedals. Specifications: brand Bolini, material carbon fiber, spindle titanium, size 106 by 92 by 17 millimeters, weight 179 g pair, color black, anti-skid pins 5 per side. As the item number 3, we've selected West Biking Carbon Fiber Bicycle Pedals. Specifications: brand name West Biking, type Ultralight pedal, size 99 by 85 by 26 millimeters, model number YP080220, pedal device category bearing, use BMX, cruisers, mountain bikes, road bicycles, material carbon, bearing 3 bearing, origin mainland China. Item number 2 is Shimano ULTEGRA SPD-SL. Specifications: brand name Shimano, type self-locking pedal, model number PDR8000, pedal device category pedal, use road bicycles, material carbon. On the top of our list at number 1 we have West Biking Carbon Fiber Pedal. Specifications: brand name West Biking, type Ultralight pedal, model number YP08021114, pedal device category bearing, use mountain bikes, road bicycles, material aluminum alloy, origin mainland China, thread diameter 14 millimeters, bearing 3 bearings.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.